is crazy.
So majestic.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. This is a small volcano. There are two others. Can you read?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how someone just. I'll try to get this one out. Tepa.
Hiking, montaña, y le me ha comprado, pero que dije, ay, no me lo traje, pero la señora, no, qué bueno, porque yo venía y
So I guess we'd go that way to get to the other part.
No, y trabajar en los costados ahorita. Dejar el capó así para el otro lado.
íbamos para abajo ya.
Ahí está trabajando. Ahí está trabajando. Si no tiene burbujas, no la quites. ¿Oye? Si no tiene burbujas, no la quites.
Que aquí venimos a otro lado, no pusieron para abajo. Venimos a otro lado a ver el volcán.
Porque no se veían pájaros.
No, allá donde comí.
Allá son de bajada, ¿eh? Vamos a subir el partido.
Allá va Francia para
¿A dónde?
¿No quedamos ahí el partido?
¿Allá arriba?
¿De qué? Ahí está el parqueo.
No,
No, bajamos allá para abajo.
Sí.
Allá está el parqueo. Ya es como calle.
¿Qué más por ahí? You can do it.
Ya parece tía Lilian.
Locura. Toma. Toma. Yeah. Can walk down.
I know.
But I mean, if you climbing, that's climbing, not hiking.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a human.
Pretty crazy.
Helado.
That's a cool sign. That's cool. Yeah.
Se ve más. Ya. Ya, pero.
Mi niño.
Va, eso no es tú. No te vuelvo a tomar foto.
Está viendo que
Dale.
Ya, si atrás tomé.
Para abajo es algo así. Así se ve. Así.
Y con la gamba es loja de los lados. Digo, son envidiosos. Son un reloj de arena.
¿Qué vas a ver si en muelle no existe el jingo?
Es da miedo. Vení.
La pinza.
No llega.
Ya se tiró el negro.
Mándale al grupo. ¿Los veres? No.
Y hay, pero si no íbamos a tomar una
Sí, una foto grupal.
Lo más guapo que puede ser.
Entonces todo va por ahí.
Después ya hacemos ahí.
Él no va a tomar la foto. Walter. Él no va a tomar la foto.
Espérense, lo vamos a comer.
Echate más.
Pobrecito Saúl, no me gusta que lo molesten.
Echate esa.
3, 2, 1.
¿Estás argomba?
Sí.
No sé, no. Venga, a ver.
Gracias.
Stepping on that glass.
There you go, or you want to check it out?
No, I wouldn't step on the glass.
You don't want to?
I get dirty, go.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm not. I mean, I can climb a tree, but don't look back. Can't look back down.
yeah. It was kind of cool looking down. Like it's like kind of like you're floating or something.
Yeah, so not from here, kid.
Yeah,
You want to know what it says?
Toma what? No.
I don't know. Uh-huh.
Más en la casa vamos a dibujar globos, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
It's okay. Good idea. There. Cool.
Nice.
This one's better than the other.
Uh-huh. Hey, we go this way now or that way? Oh, no, that's closed off, so maybe this way.
Ours.
Alright. Here, going down is a lot easier than going up.
It depends. This is a good step.
Uh-huh.
The wood is helping.
Yeah. It would suck if it was like raining or something. Get like slippery.
You can get ice calm during the winter. I mean the rainy season.
Yeah.
We call it winter, but it's not really winter. So, it's so funny when if you talk a little bit more about politics. It's so funny, you'll be surprised. My email is in Bernie Sanders' campaign database.
Oh, yeah.
He's trying to, get signs or signatures for whatever cause, or they're trying to raise money. I get the emails.
That's
Imagine
funny.
how deep into the Democratic world I was. Like 10 years ago. And now I get this from basically Republicans.
That's funny.
But I think the first one that I started paying attention to is Ben Shapiro.
Oh, that guy, I don't even want to say. Let the people guess what I think about him.
Still missing on that one.
Vamos a ir arriba al volcán, al cráter, el Boqueron. Buenas.
Buenas.
Que se llama el Boqueron.
I wonder where those balls were from. The ones I took a picture of. I'm always interested in knowing where people are coming from.
Yeah.
The other day I brought some people some type of flowers.
El sueño es bien irregular, ¿no?
Now I may be hesitant for nation sometimes. Yeah. Once I visited a place in my hometown, and it's been a while since I left the town, right? And then I started to go back more often, and I visited this political party's house.
Yeah.
They thought I was a nation.
That's funny. Yeah. Like, what are you doing here?
Yeah, like, no, because the thing is that people with left orientation tended to visit these places because it was like the FMLN, like guerrilla converted into political party institution. So
Cool.
sometimes you get tourists to go just see, and I thought I was a tourist nation.